Keith Kohl is doing it again in his recent stock teaser. He claims he's found a biotech stock with a cancer-killing gel that could make surgery obsolete, but as usual, he wants you to pay hundreds of dollars for his newsletter before he reveals it. He's calling this his #1 biotech stock for 2025, claiming that if you invest before June 13th, you could see 1,000% gains. Sounds incredible, right? But is it legit? Let's find out. By the way, there is no paid or proprietary information being given away in this video. Read the fair use disclaimer in the description to learn more. In this video, I'm going to decode Keith's clues and tell you which stock I think he's talking about, so you don't have to waste your money on his pitch. If you appreciate me saving you hundreds of dollars, make sure to hit that subscribe button and watch until the end so you don't miss anything important. Now, before I reveal his latest stock pick, let's take a quick look at Keith Kohl's background and past stock recommendations to see if he's worth listening to. Keith is an investment analyst and editor at Angel Publishing, where he focuses on energy, biotech, and tech stocks. He's been hyping up speculative stocks for over a decade. Some of his picks have been huge winners, while others have been massive flops. For example, in June 2024, he recommended Lightbridge, a nuclear fuel company. That stock skyrocketed 700%, making it one of his best calls. But in September 2024, he claimed GSI technology would outperform Nvidia. Instead, it barely moved, proving that not all his predictions pan out. And let's not forget Unity Biotechnology in early 2023. He hyped it as the greatest stock of this generation, and it absolutely crashed. So what does this tell us? Keith is hit or miss. He's had some great picks, but he's also been completely wrong before. Now let's analyze Keith's latest pitch and decode the stock he's teasing. He claims the company has developed a cancer-killing gel that eliminates the need for surgery. It targets non-muscle invasive bladder cancer, a condition affecting 80,000 people annually in the U.S. The treatment has a 79.6% complete response rate after 3 months and 82.3% duration of response after 12 months. The FDA is expected to approve it by June 13, 2025. Based on these clues, I figured out that the company being pitched here is most likely UroGen Pharma, trading under the ticker URGN. UroGen Pharma is a biopharmaceutical company founded in 2004. They specialize in innovative treatments for urological cancers and diseases, using sustained-release drug delivery technology to improve treatment effectiveness. The company already has an FDA-approved product called Jelmyto, a therapy for upper tract urothelial cancer. But the real focus here is UGN-102, the cancer-killing gel Keith is hyping up. UGN-102 is designed to replace surgery for patients with low-grade, intermediate-risk non-muscle invasive bladder cancer. Instead of surgery, doctors inject this drug directly into the bladder, where it remains for an extended period, killing cancer cells. If the FDA approves UGN-102 by June 13th, the company could gain access to a $5 billion market. As of March 2025, UroGen stock is trading between $10 and $15 per share, with recent swings up to $20. The latest study showed a 79.2% complete response rate, closely matching what Keith mentioned. The company has already submitted its new drug application and approval is expected mid-2025. Now, here's where things get interesting. If the FDA approves UGN-102, the stock could skyrocket, possibly doubling or tripling overnight. But if the FDA rejects it, UroGen stock could crash hard, possibly below $5 per share. Before you get too excited, let's talk about the risks. UroGen is not profitable. As of 2024, they had $241 million in cash, but were spending aggressively on trials and growth. If UGN-102 isn't approved, they could run out of money and dilute shareholders by issuing more stock. This stock swings wildly. If you invest, expect massive price fluctuations. The FDA is unpredictable. Even promising drugs can be rejected due to safety concerns, trial inconsistencies, or unexpected red flags. And other biotech firms are developing competing bladder cancer treatments. If a bigger pharma company releases a superior product, UroGen's market potential could shrink. UroGen could be a massive winner. If UGN-102 gets FDA approval, the stock could double or triple. But the risks are huge. The company has innovative technology that could disrupt cancer treatment, a $5 billion market potential if approved, and strong clinical trial results so far, but it's also not profitable, highly volatile, and FDA approval is never guaranteed. One bad ruling, and the stock could collapse. So if you're looking for a high-risk, high-reward biotech play, Eurogen might be worth a small speculative position, but if you can't afford to lose money, it's best to stay on the sidelines. Now, if you found this video valuable and you want to diversify your investments beyond traditional stocks and bonds, I have just the thing for you. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, central bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. I found a company that allows ordinary Americans to own and securely store physical bars of gold as part of their IRA account. The best part is that they're giving away a free guide to teach you all about investing in solid physical gold. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.